Hello. Hello. Okay, mic check. Microphone is working. Let me turn on the voice meter. Okay, that thing is up. Also, let's turn on voice attack. Okay. So far, so good. Now, the final attempt is to just turn on my bot. We are mostly going to do the same thing we did day before yesterday. The image stuff, those are working fine, but the communication between Python and Golang was not working as expected. So that's what I'm about to do today. Show my face. Do not press yes. It takes a long time. Show my face. Show my face. There is some error. You know what? I'm not going to worry about it much. When time comes, I can just test it. My Windows is also causing me issues. These are the three things which I am currently struggling with. npm run dev. And the next thing is Golang doesn't really need much changes. So go run main.go. I don't really think this thing is needed in the first place. I forgot the command for environments. Okay, flask run. So the last time I debugged this, it was something else. This is the frontend. Okay, so far this is the progress. Fetching events null. So each transaction will have its own ID, and I might need to just keep updating what things which are supposed to be used. Let's go to the side and let's pick something. My bad. Here is the link, and then we paste the image, copy image. I would also need this one, and then paste image. So that's for one. So now we got the second one. So we can think that using this automation ID, I guess. The automation ID is kind of same for these. So all I would suggest is just press this using this automation IDs. I can just generate those links. So this has these buttons, and then we would also need something this way, and this should be div, and it should be in a super parent. Okay, that's so far so good. So here we get the total updates of whether if the transaction is completed or not. We can start doing that here. In the next div, I'm going to also call it as div and then set some styling. Or else we can just limit these heights. Div container height can be of 600 pixels. That's fine, I guess. Oh, how about this? 1, 2, 3, they are inside one div. Thanks for the like. So we can have it in one, like side by side. Okay, we can just set those things. But we do need a place where we can keep all those information. So as of now, I would just decrease the heights of the price, and it should be, height should be, let's say 200, 100 and 200. That's perfectly fine. Width can also be, let's say 200 pixels. Perfect. I don't really need this big of a height as well, honestly. What is this empty space? Oh, this one belongs to the entire app container. Inside app, we have the deal container, and inside deal, we can basically see these images. So images can be, that's fine. So now we need another container, which would be events. On every event, I might need to see. So now the event is ready. I would switch to another, read or something, automation ID. Am I doing something with this automation ID? Absolutely not. Maybe in Golang I'm doing something. Yeah, automation ID. Okay. So with this kind of automation ID, I might need to do that. Deals done. Okay. Four, 4, 2. Events. Yeah, we are dropping it 100 events. We can make it to 50, and then each event can have automation ID. Event kind is start. But I don't receive. I'm not receiving that event kind. Something might be happening inside that. This is the event kind. Yeah, this is the problem. Okay. Event kind equals to event kind. Okay, that seems fine. basically I have the history of all the events, I guess. So now the video is ready. I should be able to pull the video, and that can be done in which way? I should be able to do that. It shouldn't be that problematic. Let's say this is the price image and this is the product image. You can see the height is kind of increasing constantly. I don't really need that much height. Title, affiliate link, and title. Okay. This is the second one, and we can kind of increase the deal container, flexbox, justify content center. Content space around, space evenly. Every time I refresh, I get a new automation ID, and for this automation ID, I can just track. What is this ID for? Is it automation ID or deal ID? I think that's deal ID. Yeah, that's the deal ID. So every time automation occurs, I have to maintain an automation thing. Then I don't think that's necessary. So by now I have all the deal IDs. What I'm now going to do is, so far this is the update. I think I should be able to complete this by today. What is it? What is it called? Spell it out. So I get the deals, posting and reels. So posting. I would also need images posts. So let me see what is the API for it. Buffer API cost. Party, Instagram API to post reels and other content. Beginning from tomorrow, we will be introducing reels to several endpoints. I don't want that. I think as of now, let's do it manually. So I get all the posts, I get all the posts, I get all the reels, and as well as the images which are needed. Let me try using a pen and paper. This is where I am. I might need. Let me use the XP pen. 1 second. I have this. I don't really have a cable for this, so Okay, I found the cable. When I have it, why not just use it? Show my face. Come on, damn it. Okay, let's pull them all outside. So now I'll just connect it to a USB port. Okay, cable is connected. So let's bring this all the way behind from here. Probably it's fine. Now I have this. I'm not sure if this would work as expected. It's worth a try. I'm sure it gives me some issues. So let's see. Okay, so far so good. So as of now, this is the update. I have so back to gaming. So I currently have a reel and or a post. As of now, let's focus on reels. That should be fine. Where is it? So for a given reel, we have that in location. Oh, I can't really write it from this. So let's say I have it in location A. Not the software for the tablet. Yeah. We have a reel which is located. This is actually located in my laptop. I want Go's high performance, I think I am fine with using Python as well, which isn't really that problematic. I have to move these outputs to my windows. So inside my laptop, I have the Python code. I think I can just mix up all this information and post it in one application. I don't really have to use Python's API. Yeah, I don't really have to use Python's version of it. So relocated in laptop, that's fine. And then what? So my total final thoughts would be Go application would invoke Python code. I think this is a lot helpful. This would invoke Python code instead of creating a Flask and random stuff. Let me try doing this. Okay, let me design that first thing now. So we have, I don't know how to manage the environments then. I want to invoke Python code from Golang, but I'm confused with the EVEN. env setup. Should I turn that? Should I turn it on? Well, if I'm going to host both of them in one application, so I don't think I have to update both. So that's fine. Let's do that. So we have Golang installed in that machine. This is also installed in that machine. But I somehow want the data to be available all the time. What should I do now? Processing needs to be done here. Storage needs to be there. It's super convenient to have the database in somewhere else rather than the other one. But I don't have it. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, we have the Go application. Let's try to maintain a different database in here. We already have a database in Python, which is right here. So this is the front end for that one, and then comes the deals public front end. I can basically use the same front end, which will be fine. So yeah, the same Golang based this Go application can actually act like, yeah, that should be better. That should be better. So what am I waiting for now is the automation is done. Now I should be seeing that thing inside the other applications. Let's see this. Just like we have, I need server side rendered Go based framework. There are many. It's React and Vue. These all came up. Buffalo.io. Go web-based ecosystem designed to make your life easier. Main features, background workers. I already have Fiber installed. How hard is it? Install and working. I have used Express before. I'm going to use the same API. That's wonderful. That's fine. Okay. So what is the progress? We have in Golang based. So it's going to invoke the Python code, and it will also pull the database from Python. I think it's better to have another instance of database. But what should we use? Isn't SSR just rendering an HTML on the server endpoint? In simple terms, yes, but that's a lot more complicated answer. But yeah, most of them it's true. So I'm struggling. I'm trying to get some working setup. So I have a laptop. So I have a Go, and Python. Python is a sub worker of this Go component. So there needs to be a server-side rendering. I don't want React or static rendering because that won't work fine for this use case. So on each user request, basically for that route, it's going to handle what things are supposed to be done. Let's see, how should it be done? Anyway, good morning. Good morning, Anish. Let me get some water. Are you the one who told me that you are having exams? Who was that who had exams? No, someone told me that they had some exam. All right, let's ignore that. So the strategy is this. So on a quick introduction, let's say this is the Golang code and this is the Python's code. So Golang would actually take inputs from me and then generate posts and reels. I can manually pull them and upload on Instagram. That's another story. But users can also visit this site. There will be another site, and Golang acts as a server for those. Python will not be doing that. But the only problem is I have the database set up in Python. That's one problem. I need to bring that database out from Python and bring it to here, so that Golang can just pull that information. I don't want Python doing backend stuff. I just want it to process the videos, images, not act as a backend. So, well, let's find a good database for Golang. There are only two options for SQL, which is no SQL, which is Mongo, free NoSQL databases. Scala DB? I don't think that's free. Is Scala free? It's not free. Yeah, definitely don't code your own. Collins, hey, keep me updated, please. What is the project? So, Collins, welcome to the stream. Show my face. I develop projects which help me and solve some of my problems. Relangi Mama is my board, so you can carefully ignore that. All those things are built by me. So this project, what it currently does is, I'm going to explain code-wise as well. I have a Amazon affiliate account in India. So I have a laptop running in India 24/7, which handles other servers. But my project, what it currently does is, I am going to handpick some of deals in Amazon. So I'm going to send those deals to a API or a backend, which is written in Golang. And that's going to spin up a Python-based code, which would generate posts, as an image, and also generate reels, vertical videos, which could be of 2 deals, 4 deals, 5 deals, or at max 6 deals. Based on the number of deals, the length of the video changes, and each deal session also changes. I didn't get to see that name, Vignesh. Hey, thanks for the subscribe, man. Finally, someone subscribed my channel. Celebrate. I don't know what it's called. I kind of forgot. Thanks for the subscribe. Thanks for the subscribe. So continuing, now these posts and reels can be accessed from 2 different things. Thanks for the like. Someone liked my stream. Thank you so much. So how now I would fetch those posts and reels myself. I do have a cron job which would copy all those things to my phone automatically. and then I will manually upload those reels. As of now, once I feel like this project is going to work, I am going to use the Meta Business API, which would automate the, thanks for the like. So that's what happens when someone likes my stream. I'm going to skip that section. All those things are also developed by me, by the way. So yeah, I have the posts, I have the reels, and I have the website, so that users can, let's say you watch the video now, you found something which you are interested. I can't really post links inside those videos. So what I'm going to do is I am going to maintain another website. Golang is the backend for that. And it has the database of someone. What was that? What was that? Did someone subscribe again? If so, thank you so much. So Collins, I think I have given you a rough explanation of what the project is about. So I'm using TypeScript, React-based one React-based website, and one Golang for the backend, and Python for generating reels. I try to do that with Golang itself, but there are a lot of packages which, like MoviePy, FFmpeg support, which are really well done in Python. So why stress about it? And I'm only going to use that for generating content. Hosting content, transferring content to one place to another is also going to be done in Golang itself. I hope I have given a rough explanation without confusing a lot. Back to gaming. So people who have subscribed to my channels, I would normally get a message from my bot, or at least Streamlabs or YouTube, saying that someone has subscribed, but I don't really see that. But I think at least 2 have subscribed to my channel. If so, thank you for subscribing. If you feel like why I'm speaking in English instead of my native language, because I have an AI editor, which is also, I developed it. It would generate reels, short form content, after I'm done with my streaming. The moment I stop my stream, the AI program spins up, and it's going to take my 2 to 3 hours video, which I am also recording, by the way. It would just generate highlights from that stream, and it would only understand English. If I speak anything else, it would consider it as a highlight, and it would just generate the content based on that. That's the reason. If you're still here, just say something so that I can move on, or at least I would know that you have changed your mind or watching something else. Awesome. So Colin, there are a lot of cool stuff I normally did. If you are interested, I can give you a quick demo. If not, let's skip that. There is a speak command. You can control what appears on my face. For whatever you do on my stream, you will get points assigned to them, and I have all control over the data. If you like, something's going to happen. Okay, yeah. So let's start with likes. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you dislike my stream, something's going to happen. You guys can try. I'll wait for it. So someone disliked my stream. If someone really does it, this is what happened. And if someone likes my stream, something else is going to happen. I'm waiting for you to like my stream. You can remove the like later if you, yeah. That's what happens if someone likes my stream. Thank you. So that's one part of the code. This is also handled by Imama, the bot, which is using TypeScript and Golang. I have all the information which is happening on my stream, likes, viewers count, etc. And the second thing is speak command. If I am a gamer as well, and when I just involve myself into a game or programming, I tend to miss my chat, and people would use the speak command. Hey, Jagdeep is here. So I would like you to try the speak command. This is how you use it. You can put exclamation speak, no need of any space. Thanks for the like. I think that's Jagdeep. So that is one of the other commands, Spider-Man. People love to spam it anyways. So, if you want to use the speak command, you can just type exclamation speak space, type something, some random things, and it's going to show you how it works. Oh, it was Skywalker who subscribed. I'm so sorry, I didn't really see your name. My overlay was right on top of it.
Vignesh Shukla says, hello.
Thank you, Vignesh. So that's how speak command works. People normally use it for a lot of other things. They put random stuff and try to mess with me. And the next thing is you can control what appears on my face. If you type put Iron Man, exclamation, put Iron Man, exclamation, put Batman, there will be relevant filters on my face. You can try it. If you're not interested, then just say pass. I'm going to go to the next one. If you didn't understand, you have to type exclamation, put, what is the other one? Let's say Batman for now. There are like 5 to 6 filters you can use. And the other one, so that's the thing. If you want to remove whatever is having on my face, you can just type Batman again, which is why you have Batman. If you type the same command again, it's going to remove it. And the next one, what is the next one? Well, you can control these commands, or I can control myself. Celebrate. This is one of the other things. And the next one is when I normally I forget what layout am I in. Currently I'm showing my screen, but sometimes I would just say show my face, and I forget that I'm showing my face, and I jump into programming, and people ask me to show my screen again. If you want to control what's the layout, now you can type exclamation screen. It would take you back to the screen layout, and if you want to see my face for some reason, you can just type exclamation face. Those are the other two comments. And the next one, yes, thank you. The next one is my website. By now, I think you can see the leaderboard, which is placed in the bottom. And yeah, Collins, yes, here. Yeah, face. Hey, media, welcome to the stream. So for each message you send, you will be assigned points. As of now, there are everything is free. All commands are free, so you can just use whatever you want. Yeah, what was it? Okay, the next one is whatever the points you get as of now, you can, as of now, everything is free. There is nothing you can do with those, but you can keep your. I normally keep a track of all my viewers. So if you go to my site blazingbrain.com and switch to YouTube, you should be. Don't mind the website look; it's still work in progress. So you should see your. Oh, sorry. You should be seeing the new users. So Collins, Vignesh, AK too fast. When did he join? Oh, he joined on June 2nd. Okay. So you two are new. So that's the reason you are in new users, but these are the old users. These are the top viewers. So in the same way, everyone has their own record. You can just manually search. Let's search for Vignesh. Yeah, Vignesh. As of now, Vignesh has 6 points, and he joined my channel on June 4th today. And this is the last comment screen. As you can see, if you type any comment, and it's going to be updated. So this database, I already have it. I'm not using YouTube's API or anything. I keep everything in my PC, streaming PC. So there are other commands which you can try if you go to the same site, and chat commands. I'm not getting enough time to work on this website, but yeah, eventually I will do it sometime. I think I have covered most of them. If you want to see your points, you can type exclamation points. But as I said, everything is free as of now, so you don't really have to worry about those points. So yeah, that's how things are. And there are other things. I have a bad habit of forgetting all my commands. There is Spider-Man command. There is this one. Some people hate it, some people love it. Thanks. So I do have an idea, like plans, where I give most of the controls. Sorry, man, just my interns calling me. Want to leave and want to leave. Why are you laughing about that? So yeah, that's a quick introduction. There are other cool stuff. I don't think you guys have seen that in any other YouTube videos, which is if you comment, like, or follow on my Instagram, that would also bring an alert over here. But I'm not going to promote my Instagram, even I don't really use it, so we can ignore that. But this is how it works. The moment you leave a follow on my Instagram page, I would get a notification in my stream so that all the people who are watching would get your username that, hey, let's say Vignesh has followed on Instagram. Yeah, that's we have a follow for Twitch, we have a subscribe for YouTube, but we don't really have such a thing for Instagram, so that's why I just made my own version of it. What am I doing next? So yeah, the current project is really simple. I have an affiliate account, you can see here. I always had an idea to generate some good deals which I pick myself and then post it in a website so that all other people can also do it. Dude, you're such a bad corporate company. All right. So yeah, that's if you have any questions. Well, anyways, welcome back to Western Media. How are you? So Collins and Vignesh, there's someone else who subscribed. I think it's Skywalker. Yeah, Skywalker. I didn't really see a text from him, but if he's still watching, hey, if you guys are still watching, so if you want to ask anything, just let me know. In the meantime, let me work on this. We are not here to teach anyone. No problem. No problem. So I post my automations from here, and it's going to automate that thing. After I get those reads and stuff, now I need. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm searching for a database. There's no SQL. This is what I wanted. Okay. Document oriented. Is it completely written in Golang? Is a lightweight SQL design for simple being, and it is a small code base. It is very well inspired from TinyDB. Document originated, written in pure Go, simple and okay. Well, this is what I would normally need, I guess. No document set. Oh, I can maintain collections as well. I'm fine, dude. Jagdeep, I'm all right. Nothing really exciting, just regular stuff. Work, then take a break, start streaming again. Why did you have bad in your comments, so that's why Batman got triggered. Find all. The developer experience is not that exciting. We can see it's a bit lengthy. It's a bit lengthy. I think I have to just spin up a Mongo based database or something like that, and it would work fine. File based. I want the entire data to be stored in one single file so that I can be using it myself. Do you guys know any good database? So for the previous project, which is the Railing Mama, I'm using an SQL database, but I'm storing JSON inside that SQL. But I don't really want to do the same with this. So that's why I'm thinking. I don't really want to go into SQL because I don't really have a structured database yet. Things might be changing. And NoSQL is easy to work with those changes. Yeah, okay, let's go with this Clover DB. Yeah. What? So how do we install it? Installation. Whoa. Is it like a file-based database? It's made up of one or more collection. Or we can export those collections. Okay, that's fine. And then queries. It's a bit. जब अभी सब कुछ काम का ही पूछता हूँ आज नहीं पूछूंगा don't want to. See, if I don't expect people to ask questions, and then I wouldn't be streaming, man. Let's see. Okay, let's try to install this then. Go get. Okay, let's open a new terminal. Go get this one. I got the Clover database now. Everything needs to be stored in here. So basically, I don't want to save data, data inside Python. So deals.json is processed. So I have link, title, affiliate link, category, main directory, and ID. ID is going to be main directory, so I don't really need it. That's stupid. Oh, I still need it. Yeah, I still need it. Yeah. Is processed. I don't really need is processed. The moment it's here, that means it's already processed. But I have all these. So all these are used to show the link. Okay. Okay, let's maintain the same thing, database. This is the one. What do we have here? I think AI can do a pretty good job for this. Clover. Using Go Clover, convert this. Okay. Convert your Python code, which is using TinyDB into Go, store database in Clover Lightweight. Yeah. Clover V2. What's V2? That's the deep structure. Okay, and then it's going to save get all. All right, this is what I would need it. So database.go package. I think I already have that copy pasted. Yeah, package go. I already have deal, so I'm not going to mess with it. But let's see what I have here. So you can see the ID is there, title is there, affiliate link, which is omit empty. What is omit empty? Oh. I think I'm going to use this database instead of this one. So price image and product image is, I don't need category, but let's have it as of now. Affiliate link. Affiliate link is a big word. Let's use affiliate link. Okay, this should be it. Then I'm getting an error here. Let's see. Lower, fine. Too many arguments to call to a DB exist. DB exist, collection name, yeah, deals, and then app.db, lower.find, ID equals to this one. That should be it. That should be the perfect one. Yeah, let's see. Clover. Fine. Database import. Where is the documentation? I don't find a documentation. Normally people would put websites over here. Yeah. Over DB. Database of data. Don't they have a documentation? Or is it previously Clover relied on Badger key value place stored as storage layer. However, Badger is not suitable for every scenario. So okay, abstraction, and at the moment Clover can be worked with both Badger and board by default. Both is I have no clue. To store database inside collections, you can open a Clover database using the open function. Collections, that's fine. Import and export collections, queries, find all. Is there anyone for exist? There is nothing for exist. Sorting, update and delete, indexing, create an index, data types. Okay. Well, I don't really find anything for index for Clover. Clover DB Go exists. Check if exists. How to check if the value exists in database? Let's see, do I have exists? Exist will only have one. So query equals to Clover.query. Do I have a query? Reliable rocket. Will AI take our jobs? No, I don't think so. Welcome to the string. Reliable rocket. That some jobs will be gone, which are already gone, like junior devs, etc. Those are all gone. So yeah, if that's the scenario you're talking about, then yeah, because of AI, some jobs are not really needed anymore. Because with a junior developer with AI, cloud architect, and cloud security, monitoring can be done by AI, but I think there is still people are going to be there. But you are right. Basically, previously let's say they have like 5 people working on cloud architect or cloud security. Now there might be only 1 or 2. And for cloud security, AI will be monitoring, and if it finds something fishy, then yeah, it's going to show it. But cloud architect, I don't think so. There's nothing future proof. Reliable rocket. There's nothing future proof. Even full stack developers, these are not future proof. What most people sustain is no one is going to sustain as a developer. They have to grow inside the company. Maybe a company, you might be learning a lot of business logic, which the company don't want to lose you, because AI cannot get that much business logic. AI can write code, but as a developer with some business logic, and also what's happening, then I think I need to go back to farming. Farming is, that's a good field. Everyone wants food, so don't go to project management. It's shit. There's no such thing as query. It's open. How do we query? Cloud product. There is no yes or no answer for those, Rocket. I'm going to call you Rocket. There are no straightforward yes or no questions. After COVID, it's proven that we can't really make a plan anymore, because things would just not work as expected. Does it have database? I didn't. It's going to use the database. Okay. Thank you. Even after COVID, we all know what happened. Like companies They have a lot of bright people working for them, the board members and etc. They invested a lot because people in COVID, they were using a lot of cloud, internet services like games, movies, series, and that's why Netflix, Amazon, Google, they invested a lot. But things turned out negative, or things didn't turn out as expected, and they just had to lay off a lot of people. So companies have a lot of smart people. If they can't really predict what's happening, then I don't think I am terrible to say anything on those. But don't fall into, Meta or Google's words that AI will be replacing these many people in 2026. That's not going to happen. They are just going to say those so that they can increase their stock price and, investors showing some interest. But in reality, it's not. This is what is going to happen. Where is my Chrome? I don't have a Chrome. Did I close it? Yeah, I have it. So this is what is going to happen, Rocket. If you're still watching, this is my answer. AI will be growing in this way. Let's say in next 5 years. So when a Google, Microsoft, some company is going to come up with a product, they need someone to buy it. Yes, there might be a potential after 80% that it can grow to 100%, but that's going to be too expensive. Is Java good for primary language as a beginner? As a complete beginner? Yeah, why not? Like people start with C. So yeah, Java is a good language. I would suggest Java because you can actually get some jobs if you are good at Java and Spring Boot in at least one MNC company, so that you can start your career with it. Then you can brush up your skills, increase your skills, and then go with some other framework or language. But again, language doesn't really is that not that much important as a developer, but to find jobs, language is important. It's easier to find a job with Python or JavaScript than Golang. It's easier to find a job with Java better than like Golang. So yeah, it's definitely a good choice, no doubt in that. The only problem is it's not really well adopted in cloud. You either have to know Python or Node.js, so you might need to learn other few languages. So I would suggest this one. For starting languages, Java is fine. For dynamic, Go and JavaScript is must, because without JavaScript you can't really do anything with full stack. So I wouldn't really call that as a plus language. You have to know JavaScript. TypeScript is a plus, and then comes Python, Java. These 4 languages are enough. You can basically build anything you want, almost anything you want. And then comes database. Just learn to kind of database. Like SQL is must. SQL is must. But I don't really love using it, but SQL is must. So this is what I'm talking about. After certain points, the development is going to be so expensive that people are not going to buy it. So after this point, let's say people over here, there were like 50 junior devs, and here there will be like 4. So yeah, there is a job loss, but these remaining people will be working on something else. So some jobs are gone, some new jobs will be coming in. But yeah, this shift is big. And the next big shift is going to be quantum. That's going to take next 10 to 15 years. So you don't really have to say thanks to me. Thanks. So let's just delete all these. Yeah, let's pick a database. Why do they don't have? This is how we fire some employees because of DeepSeek, yeah? Yeah. So like for basic stuff, definitely it's going to do it. Like, analytics, you want someone. So this is what I feel like it's going to happen, or it's already happening. So you can use AI to get data from the warehouse, like data warehouse, and then analyze it and show it to you. And some human is going to show it, see that, and then give some personal opinion based on his experience. That can also be done with AI, but again, it's AI. Yeah, whatever you tell it to do, it's going to do it. But a human can only give you a true answer. But this entire process was previously using manual, humans, but now that can be also be done with AI. Yeah. They didn't really say how to find for something. Indexes, update or delete, skip limit, sorting, filter documents, new query. What is this C thing? Okay. DB. We need to use DB. DB dot new query. No. Query. No. What are options we have? Close, create index, delete, drop, insert, save, update, exists. Okay. db.exist. It takes a query. Query is a type of query. How can I get query inside it? I thought Clover is going to be C. So we can see it's going to return. What does it return? Variables, close, size. Abhishek Shukla. Hey, thanks for subscribing, Abhishek Shukla. Show my face. Thanks. Back to gaming. I'm struggling to find the right type for query, but query, do I have any? Yeah, what is it? What is this query? Don't spam. Query. I guess I would need this. So Q equals to query dot. Yeah, now I found it. New query or query, which is the there is query and new query. I don't know what these would do. Query would take collection, whatever it is, and something. What is the difference between new query? New query simply returns the collection with the specified name using it. What? I think I'm supposed to use this query. Okay, no problem. Thanks for the like. Someone liked my stream. Whoever did it, thank you so much. I already have 5 likes. That's good. Let's go. Query. I need what I need. I need a it's being overloaded then. So I need a collection. This is not working as expected. I think I might need to import the collection as well. Do I have collection over here? Collection. Type collection, create collection, no. Save collection, no. Get collection key? What is it? Is it? Oh man, this is going to take a lot more time than expected. Robot of fine. Oh, this is going to be query. Let's see if this works. I need one more bracket, I guess. Yeah. Why I'm not getting any query? I wish there is an example. Collections. How are they doing? Query method is equipped with a fluent and elegant API to query your data. Now what? Let's do this. Is it this way? True. That's true. Okay. Docs. Find C Clover. New query. What is C inside? What is C? I haven't really mentioned anything about C. Oh, C is yes, Clover. All right. All right. All right. Bro, I'm using RabbitMQ, Redis, Elasticsearch, and so many. So anything we can replace and take much more lighter. Where exactly are you feeling like you have decreased the load? Front end should be having its own load. Is it the API? Is it the database? Or is it file handling? Because you have videos, so which one is taking time for you? Actually, there's three things taking me. Oh, take my 4 GB minimum. Well, only Elastic. Those are actually. That's how it is. That's how they work, man. You have to give it. You have to give it whatever it needs so that now it works fine. It's not working as expected. Where is the queries? Find all. Let's see. C dot new query, but I don't see new query at all. Lower, not new query. That is not working. Query dot new query. No query dot new query. Yeah, finally something is working. Okay. But now it's getting out of my budget. Do you have that many users yet to use the entire 4 GB Elasticsearch and etc.? I don't really know how to solve that problem, Jagdeep. I haven't deployed anything which obviously take like four, that big of tools. I didn't really use for only one users. Why would it use to 1.5 GB? Are you using DeepSeek AI to write your code? Of course, I use AI to write my code as no hate on that. Clover open, that's fine. Oh yeah, this is what I was thinking. Dump go. But I will scale it later. For one user, if that's how it takes. Thanks for the like, guy. Come on, tell me who is the person who liked it. There was something. I think I started those. I might have started those repositories. Auto editor, Go, Go SQLite, no. Spin Go, no. What is the other? What is the right word in programming? Which could dump. Dump. Better dump. Dump bump in it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. GitHub new latest trending repositories. I don't really know how to spell that thing. There is a channel which is programmed. What do you want to search, man? So I found a GitHub library, or sorry, what is called Golang library in GitHub, which would it's called as Go dump or something. It's going to do printing objects or class objects structs a lot easier. So I wanted to use that. I thought I started that repository, but looks like that's not the case. Maybe recently start operator Alpine. No, these are not the ones. Is there other thing which says less? No. It was a really good project, man. I forgot where was it. There was a YouTube channel which yeah, this is the one. Let's see. Videos. So this entire channel is automated. Go cloud. Go. I think I saw it probably on Friday. I really wanted to use that repository. Where is it? Why would fast API? In the name it has fast, but it's not really that fast. Is it? No, I lost it. Go. Let's see. Dumb. I'm not able to find it. Okay, let's see if I can see anything in history. Oh, this is the one I really last 7 days. Search. Dumb. Oh yeah, go dumb. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Starting it now. I found the repository. Go dumb. GoDump is a developer-friendly, zero-dependency debug dumper for Go. It provides prettier, colored terminal outputs for your structs, slides, maps, and whatnot. Complete with cyclic references detection. It's really a good project. We can see it's printing a lot better. So I would like to use it. So let's see. Yeah. So how GoDump just dumped the user, that's it. Oh, this will print and exit the program. Output, get dump as a string. What? Oh, we can also use HTML output and also maintain. Okay, this is what I wanted to use. So let's see the dump. What do you think, guys? So docs, dump docs. So I don't know if it work. If it would work. If it would work or not. Check ID exists. I don't really need it anymore. Get all, not needed as of now. Yeah, let's work on that get all. Okay, open the database path and find all. I think I have an example of how to find all those. How can I query this? It says Clover has new query, but I don't really see that at all. Of course, I might need to unmarshal all these. So, it's getting too difficult. All right, I give up. Go SQLite. Pure Go base SQLite. I don't think I should need anything for these. So you don't need to install SQLite separately. Yeah, that's what I want. Is it well maintained? Yeah, this looks fine. And write SQL, no problem. So let's ignore all these. Do we have Go-based ORMs? No one is updating these ORMs. Fine. What is this? The fantastic ORM for Golang library. Fully featured ORMs. Okay. Auto migration. I'm not doing complex migration software. Oh, that's it. Don't we have dark mode, please? Okay. SQLite OpenText DB configuration. We can use this. Create product. Bid product price. Yeah, this seems fun. Let's try using it. Or this. Please. Okay. Will be done one by one. And then I have the product on model. These are different things. Is it done? Linked. I need ease processed. So fun, open. Yeah, let's try all these. Let's see if it works fine or not. How can I init the database? Function init. Oh, my keyboard died. Oh, function init. Let's have these gone. Instead of product, it's going to be deal. I don't need migration, dude. So create, it's going to be inserts a value. Okay, and then first find the product with integer primary number. Okay. So let's, as of now, let's create the init. It needs to be where db equals to round db. It should be something like this. Can I have global variable for this? Where error. Okay. Function save deal. Okay. That should just save deal. Go dumb. There should be go dumb dot dumb deal. I don't know if it put create or not. AppDB database path needs to be AppDB, and then collection. I don't really need collection, so that's fine. Ouch. So let's have those, and let's see what are the things I'm missing now. This link, unknown link is a structure of type dev. Oh, there is no link. That's fine. Now I have all these. So the only difference now is once I have deals, it got all these. It needs to now save those information. Once the deal is done, it needs to save it. Stored, save event, and then after that, it's going to say save deal. I do not have the deal. Oh, I have deals. All right, my bad. Okay. So for each deal, rename deal, save deal, that's fine. Basically, how can I restart? How can I restart Fiverr-based Go app? Run go run main.go on change. The hell? It seems fun. Let's try it. Take a message. Let me see who that is. Okay, what am I doing? I have the database set up. It should be, yeah, I was trying to and conflict. Go mod tidy. There is a command for it. Version control. Oh, okay. Strange. Very strange. This is how we are supposed to do it. Once this is done, I'm definitely going to try using the AI. Oh, this is working. I have no idea what it's trying to say. Is it error again? Well, the system cannot find the specified path. Of course, it cannot. Okay, I have the toml file, and then after this, you can just. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have the build file. Why would it? Oh, that's the problem. It was not able to build it for some reason. Go main, go build. What is the command? Runtime C go 64-bit mode not compiled in. What the hell? Says uh this is the one. It says 32. Yeah. Let's see, what does it need now? Install 64-bit. All right. If my Go app doesn't use how to I think it should be fine. Let's see. That absolutely made no sense. Okay. All right, let's forget about it. Go run. Command line arguments. Why would it trigger those? No clue. Oh, I'm using, let's close this terminal, create a new one, go run .go. Something wrong? Undefined deal. I have deal right here. Strange. What do you mean I don't have deal? And I can just reinitiate it here if that's the problem. I have no clue. Okay, that's something is working, then nothing. All right. There comes, where is the main function? And then this should be turned on. Well, I got the error again. Save deal. Do I have to write a different package? Go uninstall. Do I have an uninstall command? Hey, someone liked my stream. Thank you so much. Peace. Or do I remove it? Go install. I got another like, I guess. Thank you so much. Thanks for the like. Hey Siddhant, welcome to the stream, man. How are you, Siddhant? I don't see a command to uninstall. Where is it? 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 There is no way to uninstall it. It's so depressing.
Siddhant ODA says,
Yeah.
hello cutie, I missed you.
What's up, Siddhant? What's up? Go mod tidy. Right. Some reason. Let's name it as utils or something. It's fine. Util.database. Okay, new close it. New folder. No. What is this green theme? Which theme? Oh, this is not really a theme. I have like 3 VS Code sessions open. So what I did was I was having trouble finding the Go VS Code. So I just set a color for that. I think I'm using an extension, which is, yeah, window color. Someone disliked my stream. Is it? Of course it's going to be Siddhant. Best Go project structure.
Siddhant ODA says, smart.
Okay, what is the layout, dude? What? Do not use src. Okay, layout main, CLI tools, queue, main.go. That's
Siddhant
ChatGPT
ODA
as well.
says, it's not me only like me no like.
It's definitely you. You might be using, different accounts. Who knows? This is how I. Do I need to create one for database.go or utils.go, which will have all structs, etc. It wants me to place it in the internal section. Strange. Okay. Something is fishy. So the problem is database. Now here I wanted to have the deals. Do I have to write export or something? No. I need CP motivation. Abdul, welcome to the stream. What do you mean CP motivation? Can you please elaborate? Show my face. If you feel disgusted that I don't even know the meaning of CP, then I'm so sorry. I'm really not that good with short forms. Is it competitive programming? Even I don't do competitive programming, man. I suck at lead code. Okay. See, that's the thing. I don't even care about competition. I build tools which help me, which makes my life easier. That's what I do. So I'm a meh at lead code. I only solve like 5 to 6 problems in my entire life. So if you wanted to watch a programmer who does competitive programming, then that's not me. Sorry to disappoint. Peace. Back to gaming. But I do build cool stuff, and yeah, I don't really have to compete with anyone. So cool. Yeah. Why was it not recognizing this? Go inside here. That's wonderful. And then let's see. Nothing is disappointing. You know what? Some people would really feel bad that I don't really do competitive programming. They expect me to do that, but I don't. For some reason, I just don't feel interested. But I promised my viewers that once I'm done with this current project, I'll be doing DSC. Yeah, one fine day. Don't know when, but one fine. I'll start with maybe basic stuff like learn patterns. Let's say like 20 to 15 patterns, and some programming. Learn some algorithms, solve like 2 to 3 for each algorithm, and then move ahead. I'll be using Java or Python the most of the time. I haven't decided which one to use. Sorry. What games do you play? Oh, how do you know that I play games? I have a gaming. So this is my primary phone, Pixel 8, and this is a gaming phone. I play PUBG and some other games.
Siddhant ODA says, competitive programming feels like Z,
Oh.
whereas building small cute projects, which solve some of your personal problems, isn't that cute?
Exactly, but competitive programming gives you. So what games do I play in PC? I play Battlefield. That's my primary game, and then goes Rainbow Six Siege, then PUBG PC, Fortnite, Far Cry. So I do play games, but most of the time I don't really stream while playing games because no one really watches it, and yeah, that's the most of the reason. But I do play games. I'm a big fan of Battlefield franchise. I actually own all Battlefields from 4, 1, 5, 2042. Bro, you making money. Since when did I make money using? I mean, From my job, that's a different story, but that's not considered competitive programming. But if you are good at competitive programming, you will find jobs easily. So that's another difference. Uh, See, Abdul, if I don't want to get distracted, I wouldn't have done streaming. Siddhant, and there used to be a person called Satyam, the code with guy. I write code along with people watching. If I really wanted to focus on programming, I would be streaming now. So you're fine, don't worry. But for some reason, I cannot make it work. This is what I normally did for my other project as well. It was working fine. I don't know why this isn't working. Coding, stream assistant, alerts. We can see here. So where did I write all my structs? I did write all of them in my utils. All right, let's basically try to do that. Internals. So this is the reason I forget where is the Golang, but I see the green stuff. I can internals, and we can move the database inside that, move, and then set it to internals. Did I spell it right? Save deals, and then it should be imported. Internals. I forgot. How do I import those? Oh, all right. What type of tools you build? I've built a really cool things. At least I feel proud of building all those package. But yeah, if you want me to give you a quick overview about my channel and all the commands, I can give you a quick overview. Give me 1 minute. Internals. So this should have been inside here. Move. That's kind of working. What is it? Pre-declared in the block? I didn't pre-declared in the block. Yeah. Close it. That's kind of working. And then there is goes this. Go server internals. That why would it remove my internals dot database? Dot mod. Oh, my bad. Mod, something flew in my eye. Do I have to write? Let me open my this one. So, do you want me to give you a quick overview, Abdul? I didn't really. So in my Go, did I import all those files? I didn't really import anything. As you can see, database, same. Yes, please. Okay. Show my face. So if you like my stream, something's going to happen. Give it a try. If you don't really like my stream, you can just remove the like, no problem. But just to figure out what's going to happen. So this is what would happen if someone disliked my stream, which I don't really want. See, as you can see, I was crying. But if you like my stream, this is what is going to happen. So if you like my stream, that's what happens. And every time you comment, you will be assigned a point. And as of now, there is no real use for those points. Everything is free. You can, if you want to know your points, just type exclamation points and Relangi Mama, the bot, which is built by Golang and TypeScript. Why don't we say, of course, celebrate? So that's basically a celebrate thing, which I would normally run it whenever I feel excited. So there are a lot of cool stuff, and everything is monitored, handled by Golang and TypeScript. And there is a tool OBS, command line interface. That's another story. So yeah, Relangi Mama is congratulating you. You can see the toast. it says that you have now reached 10 points. That means if you scroll up, you should be seeing 10 comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I count it wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Relangi Mama is the bot which I wrote, and it handles everything. Like how many likes I have, how many dislikes I have. It's going to, yeah, also you can ask him for, ignore Siddhant, he's like one horny dude. There is another horny dude called Jagdeep. There is another one, I kind of forget his name, it's Rahul, I guess. So yeah, ignore this, but there is another one which is known as speak command. If you feel like I'm not reading at the chat and you feel angry, you can use that speak command. Normally people use it when I'm gaming, and when I'm gaming, I don't really look towards my chat. So you can use it, exclamation speak space, type something, and it's going to show your username and what text to voice thing. I would like to give it a try. I would like you to try it so that it's easier that way to understand what it does. And the next thing is, as you can see, I'm writing code, but I'm not really showing my screen. But if you want to see what I'm showing, what I'm doing, you can just type exclamation screen. That's wrong, Siddhant. Type exclamation screen. So now it's going to take it back to screen. So as a streamer, I kind of forget what layout am I in currently. So people were like, bro, what are you talking about? Can you show your screen first? And then I was showing my phone to a user one day, and he was like, can you expand the face screen? Yeah, if you want to see my face again, or the one, if I'm talking about something, let's say a comb, if you want to see this in a bigger screen, you can type exclamation face. There are other things, I'll let you know. Yep. Now you can try the speak command. Type exclamation, no space, speak, space, type something in English. This is actually a really useful command, but as of now, I'm currently focusing on the chat. People are not really using it, but when I don't really focus on chat, people would love to use it. Right?
Abdul Mukid says, nice stream setup.
This is the next command. Thanks. That's the thanks command, or you can say voice command, which I think I am the only one. Yeah, you can, if you want to trigger that, you can just use exclamation kiss. Please do not spam. So that's one other. And I kind of forgot what are the other ones. You can control what appears on my face. If you type exclamation put Batman, there will be Batman on my face. So there is Batman, frog, eyes, hug, some more. People don't really use that command too often. So eyes. So Thanos is only limited for me. When I celebrate, Thanos would come up, but Thanos is not really available for you guys. But if you want to put Batman, just type put Batman, eyes. I think it's EYES. This put commands were developed a lot, I think 6 months back, and I don't really recall what to trigger them. But eyes, I think it's eyes, EYES. I have no clue. Yeah, frog works always. Yeah, frog would work always. So Abdul, the next step is the projects I build. So this is also this project, the Relangi Mama project is what makes my stream a little bit more fun. And it also keeps a record of this entire database, which can be visited by my website. Back to gaming. So if you go to blazingbrain.com, thank you for using this screen. So if you go to, this is my website, you're free to explore it. There is nothing really much to explore. I do write blogs. If you're interested, go to blogs. I'm not advertising that anyways. So this is the YouTube section. As of now, it doesn't look that impressive, I understand. And this is you, Abdul Mukit, and you are under new users because you have joined today. And if you open this web page, you would be seeing the points you have, the date you have joined, and this is the last comment. Nice work, keep it up. Thanks. That's powerful. So in the same way, you can explore other people's. Let's say Siddhant. So Siddhant joined my stream on April 21st, 2025. I think he joined it before, but I think this is the last comment he made. So exclamation screen, yeah. And this is the first live stream he joined, and this is the last one. I think this is today's. So
Siddhant ODA says, BTW the points you have,
no,
you can ask him to buy something from US.
no.
When he comes to India, he will bring your stuff.
That's not true. Dude, why would you want to trap me with, in those kind of commitments? That too from a new user. So these are the list of commands. I think I have covered most of them, and there is one other cool command you can try, which is called Spider-Man. If you type exclamation Spider-Man, something's going to happen. No space, so try it. What am I doing now? Yeah, setting the layout, okay. Right. So I had few other things to nature. I have other like Captain America stuff, but oh, that's sad. All this time I was talking and he's just leaving. That's the reason I asked him whether he is interested to explore my channel or not. At least he would have stayed a little longer if I was doing programming. Hey Siddhant, this is all your fault. So if I realize now, thanks for the like, whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. How many likes do I have? 6? That would be just a wish. Internals, yeah. I don't think it's needed. Oh, you're having a class. You might be young then. Yep, enjoy your class. Just like you're saying, dude, you don't have to hurt me that much, man. I'm trying my best. I am trying my best. You're so evil. You are so evil. Why this is not working? Dude, we have internals, and inside models we have deals, and that's what I'm doing. What is the file folder name I have? Let's see if that fixes things. Coding Amazon Go server. Let me try Go server internal. See, it's not working. Why wouldn't it let me import these lines? That's not. See, this is what I would normally do is type internals and then it would just import them. I don't really have to write anything special inside here. So this is what I did for alerts. So this is the utils package, and we can see this is the main package, and I don't think I have written utils inside here. Static, no. See, there is no utils. Let me. Oh. Okay. All right. That fixes a lot of things. Okay, let's try importing this. How can I import this? How can I import this? Instead of calling like this, how can I import this? Instead of calling like this, how can I import internals? In Go, you don't use okay, type. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Go contents so models. All right. Your app internal and models, but oh, I think it's talking about my app as in Go Amaze Deals. Oh yeah. Go ORM SQL database. I'm trying Go. Or is this what you're trying to refer? Yeah, Go ORM. Yes. But for this, there are some issues I'm facing, so that's why I'm trying to keep things clear. So I don't want to use in this way. Let's have it here. So I want to import everything like Amaze Inter that has been imported, but we can see it's still not working. So my Go mod app is Amaze Deal, and that's what I have it here. Should be working, but it's not working. Do I have to import database as well? It's removing everything internals. Okay. Did it have anything extra in here? Package models. Okay, I have it here. And inside handler, I write all these. Let's see. If I had to write those, then why would I? Oh, do I have to write models again? Oh, okay. So where is it? M. Okay, I'm just going to use internals. I think that's fine. Internal deal. Okay, this is going to be the same as here. Internal deals, and then internal deals. Okay, I have things ready. Let's see. Hey, thanks for the like. Someone liked my stream. Thank you so much. He says go run, not what's happening. Go run.
Siddhant OTA says, in South states, all states have different languages, so are they similar or completely different? Like if I learn one language, can I talk to other state people too?
No. That's not how it works. It's 80% completely new and 20% mixed up. So let's see. So I don't know, India state map. So imagine this, Siddhant. Let's take a copy. What? So imagine this, all right? So I come from this region and my language is a lot different than these people language and these people language. But we all speak a one language called Telugu, so that's why we can easily communicate. But I don't know shit what these guys are talking about. Same goes with these and same goes with this. So there are common words, but those words are derived from other languages, so that's the reason they are common. But things are different. I'm not like trying to over exaggerate things, but that's the reality. I don't know shit. I can guess like, okay, they are from this region, they are from this region, they are from this region, and they are from this region, but I can't understand what they're trying to say. The same goes with Odisha people. So I have done my undergrad in here, so I met a lot of people from all different places. That's when I realized things are different in different areas. This language and this language are really hard. I can understand a little bit of this one, but these two I just can't even guess what are they talking about unless they speak any English words. But that's not the right way to say that I understand these languages. This one is completely different. This one is completely different. These two, they have a lot of similar words. Let's say for water, we use the same word, but the verbs, pronouns are different. So our languages, everything ends with a, let's say, a vowel. That's the opposite for these languages. There's a difference. Okay, now for the pep talk, let's see. What is it trying to 64-bit mode is not compiled in? But why are you trying to compile it in 64-bit? It was working fine before. Did I miss something? Okay. 1120. I don't have that, dude. This works fine. I just use 32-bit. So let's see for each deal if it's successful. If it comes to this point, I'm going to save all those information, and that should be it. Deals. What are the types of deals? We have the ID, so that should be fine. All right. I think it's better to ask for an that's not fine. All right, this should be working fine now. Let's see. Once everything is saved, let's also create like an endpoint. App.get deals. Internals.get deals. So database, it should be function get deal deals array find deals. Is it that simple? Well, if it's that simple, I should have been using this. What? Oh, get. All right, let's see. If I am not getting any error, then that's totally fine. Postman. Happy. 3000 deals. Close this. Is it deal or deals? What? My application crashed. Invalid memory address or null pointer reference. I wish we had better error handling in here. I don't even know which. Okay, in 34. Oh, I didn't even initialize the init. My fault. Internals.init. Yeah, that should be working fine now. What's wrong? Oh, init. Failed to connect database. I don't have a database as of now. Okay, let's make it this one. Different database. Okay, testDB. But I don't have a testDB. How can I create a new one? Did you see any difference? So my question is, does it create the database or not? Create a current database, go around nodes, internal, I'm going to run it, create a current database. Something is fishy. I don't know. Do I have to initialize the file maybe? Which DBA you are using? SQLite. What? It should be pure Golang based. I don't think that's needed. I already have it. If I use the SQLite 3, that's going to use the original SQLite 3, which is not developed by Golang. That's independent, but
Siddhant OTA says, if you are fine with Postgres, you can get
yeah, I do
easy
know
access
Neon.
using Neon.
Yeah, I do know Neon. It's fine, but I wanted a file based, a single file database system. Just I wanted to have like a database file in my project so that I can have a backup of that one file, which is what I'm currently doing for the Reeling Mom as well. All right. Let's see if that fixes problems, then I don't really want to worry about it. Use? What is the error? Why don't things just work?
Siddhant OTA says, you can later write a backup service for all your projects, which saves all data in a CSV.
I tried it. Trust me, I used Postgres before. I also use NeonDB. That's what I'm currently using for my Remind app. That's not really deployed, but I only use it for myself. It works fine. It does its job, but that's way too complicated for me. I mean, I'm not afraid of Postgres. Don't get me wrong. The reason I'm saying complicated is I'm not going to deploy this application in my PC. This needs to be deployed in my laptop sitting in India. So two different clusters of database is going to cause me issues. So I just want individual database file for each dev and prod environments. I'm not going to upload the database file. It's going to handle its own thing. But yeah, now I think I already moved away from NoSQL. It's too much. What's the problem? Connecting to database, yeah. SQL driver, PostgreSQL, customized driver, SQLite. You can also use file memory or instead of a path of a file. Right, to use a temporary SQL based system. That's what. It's fine, but where's the file? I'm doing the exact same thing. Why is it not working? What was it trying to say? Expected declaration found DB. Oh, this is what it's trying to complain about. Well, if I have to write it in a function, then it's fine. Let's write in a function. Why is it giving me issues? Worm SQLite. What is it trying to say? If this is the case, then let's try this. Expected type C DB2. Do we have DB2? Fine. If this is working, then it should also. The problem is I don't really see the file path yet. I don't see the SQLite file as of now. Probably somewhere else. Deals. Let's try deals. I don't know what's the problem here. Get deals. Okay. Valid memory or nil pointer, so that means this is not really executed. I run this and I see I get another.
Siddhant ODA says, speak didn't work.
I didn't get your message. This is the only one I got. So it's not me, it's YouTube. I don't know. It's not you. There were a lot of viewers in the past who got offended that I'm not reading their messages, but YouTube just doesn't really send those messages for me. What did you type? And they are really aggressive about it, even though I disabled all the link moderation, like somewhere. I don't really have any moderations, but still, they just disable. They have their inbuilt system. I think they have to follow the legalities of governments, I guess. Come on, dude, just execute.
Siddhant ODA says, Plodge watch this new Apple TV series. The name is being censored, LOL.
No idea, dude. I don't really watch that much movies, and so I would just. Oh, let's paste the error. Why not? I'm pasting the error. Yeah, this would help me. Go dump. What is that? Dump.
Siddhant ODA says, Rav Arens.
I got no clue. I have to see. Binary was compiled with requires CG to work. This now I understood. Oh no, I have lost it completely. But why would it need C? But when I enable that, my fiber is not working. It was stupid me. I just should be another one for pure Go based driver, which is all those things, man. I kind of forgot what is the command for PowerShell. Yeah, this is the one. Sorry, unimplemented. Let's see. Pugo based SQL driver. Where is the Pugo based SQL driver? This is the one I wanted to use, so let's basically use it. How did they use it? Database SQL. Oh, dude. Got the SQL now. I'm going to use this. SQL open. SQLite. What's the problem? Multiple value SQLite open the value of type is here value content specified. Install. I'm wasting a lot of time. I think it's why can't I use without need a simple database. What was the database you were suggesting about? I need a simple one. I don't want to complicate things now. Yeah, let's use Docker, Mongo, or something like that. Docker, MongoDB. MongoDB, PG Neon. But if I want to use a dedicated database, let's go with NoSQL because it's better that way. MongoDB Go driver. I think we have an official driver from MongoDB, so why not just use it? Dude, this is painful to watch. So every time I'm supposed to give. All right, I don't know patience. Let's just use what I normally use for the other database. I use this one. Yeah, no ORM, nothing, just plain old database. I try to do something different. Trust me, I tried. If that's not working, then I don't know what to do. I need user for sure. Convert object to use. Deal, that's fine. Then user should be converted to deal. Okay, it should be capital and all. Okay, user done. Ah, how many did I
Siddhartha
wrote?
says, sadly you don't like Python.
Dude, trust me, I did things in Python before, but that didn't really end in a better way. So I don't need this, I don't need this. Let's ignore all these. Check user if it's already existed. Not this. Delete user. Not this. And all users. That's can stay, I guess. Dump. Oh, I didn't really import that. My bad. What is a dump? Dump. Yeah, go dump user. Okay, it should be T0.
Siddhant OTA says, or you can use cursor too.
I don't really find it exciting at all. So I'm using SQL, plain old SQL. It's too painful, man. Too painful. Golang JSON based database. Do I have it or not? Why is none of I don't want to have a separate server running in my machine, dude. Wife code only for once. I didn't understand what you're trying to say. What? Wipe code only for once. Oh, wipe code. I read it as. Why did you type wife code? Or maybe that's what you truly meant. Now you're just trying to cover yourself. Sneaky move. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. It shouldn't be this difficult, don't you think this is too difficult? So Mongo is this ugly. You know, it's snappy. Every time I have to set a timer and then decode it. That's stupid. Problem with Postgres is it doesn't really have an official Docker image for Raspberry Pi server, so that won't really work as well. Man, you have 880 points. So I have 15 more minutes. Let's decide one stupid database. What should I use? What? Go get, sorry. Now what I'm going to use this object to JSON, JSON to object, okay, and then database connection, dt.do deals DB, SQLite, that's fine. Then yeah, this is the one I wanted. Create table if not exist. So the table name should be deals, and this should be the ID, primary key, and user there deals. What was the other one? It says user JSON. So let's convert user JSON into deal JSON. Replace all. That should be done. And then we have user JSON. It should be deal JSON.
Siddhant OTA says, Pippi.
What was that? chances of you losing data from your Raspberry Pi is a lot higher than Neon. That's true. That's true. That's true. So I have a backup of those database. So all the database which you are seeing now is being, it should be backed up. I thought that would be working fine. I think. So yeah, yesterday the user database got backed up. So every day at a particular time, the file is going to be backed up from the Raspberry Pi to my Google Drive. So whatever you're thinking, I already had it in my mind and I already have a solution for it. A working solution. I tried Neon before, I tried Postgres, I tried Docker containers. I don't want to spend that much time on setting up utils for just a hobby project. I hope you understand. Again, I'm not saying this is the right approach or this whatever you're suggesting is a wrong approach. It's just I don't want it to do that thing. Cool, my guy. What did I do? I have what is this? String should not be capitalized. Stupid. I don't think I'm saving it in JSON. Am I saving it in JSON? Get user ID, insert user. So it's going to marshal everything and then user to the database, insert. It is bytes, so I'm not really saving it in. Oh, but bytes are also stored in text. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Get deal. Get deal by ID. Okay, and it should be having user ID. Let's name it as deal ID. Why? I have a meeting in 10 minutes. Good luck with your day, bro. Enjoy your day. I shall also
Siddhartho
stop
DA
using
says, wet dreams.
it. Dreams. Hope I don't get bedwetting. Print all deals, and for every deal it should be just printing these. Select user ID from. Yeah. Can I statically type this? Can I type it instead of direct strings and Golang? This should be helpful. I don't really need an ORM for this. I need a select go based function where it should be reusable, where it has select and a dynamic array of properties, and then from needs to have the dynamic table name. Okay, select from table. All right, select. Table.sql. That's not what I'm using. This is just a plain old query. It's in string. Table name columns. So if columns is 0, then just set it as star, I guess. Then should be strings.columns or JSON. Oh. So type columns. String array, and it will store deal ID and deal JSON. Can I type them like these? And if there are no columns provided, then pull all columns, basically star. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Columns of two column of strings. So that's not what I want. Getting it. If I'm able to do this, I'll learn Go typing a lot. I want them to be typed strongly. What? Okay, is invalid syntax in Go. That's not what that's not what I truly wanted. Wanted that to have it. Can I limit users to only have a desired default column as parameters in column? You can't enforce fixed constant values of function or compile time option or don't accept columns as a parameters. What? I mean, intended use. Select default columns. Default columns. I actually thought that is possible. Should be only these. How can I limit the column? Those should not be anything other than alright, I think I can maintain this. Yeah, struct columns. The ID and then deal JSON. Can I use a struct instead? So that the columns parameters needs to be. I don't know what. Let's forget columns. I need a column from this. To those struct values. Yeah, that's fine. What you can do instead is limit your use to fixed set of columns. Okay. just wanted static typing, that's it. Select all from table name. Table name is equals to deals, and that should be fine. Set in the wrong function. Totally in wrong function. All right. Changes. Revert my changes. I should be writing in this file, but I was writing in another file. Can select all deals, and it should be getting from database, I guess. Yeah. Select all from deals. From where it should be this. I should close this. So let's write a table name. Fonts table name equals to deals. Database connection. It should be deals. Okay. How can I string concat? Oh, I need to use FMT. Yeah. Yes, nothing spare. Oh my goodness. Select all from tables in query. Once that I have the query, I need to just run this query. Users, okay, select all from users. Yeah, get all deals. I can just change the name from that. Get all users, get all deals. Fine, increase it, get all users. Okay, get all deals, sorry. Empty dot sprint. Table name equals to this. I have all the deals. Then it should get next. It should be deal ID. So that should be deal ID. Scan deal ID and then unmarshal the deal. Okay, get user. This should be get deal, and the query needs to be something like this. String. Okay, that should be one. Then go ID or have the rows. And okay, save deal. I think there is something called insert. All deals. I don't want to print all deals. Save deal. We'll have the deal object. Deal, okay. It should be db dot query. Forgot copy insert. Insert user. Yeah, this is what I needed. I don't really have insert deal. Deal. Okay, that should be taking a deal, which is of type deal, and it should return deal. And there's nothing really needed to deal, so it's ignore it. Oh, I think I can save the link ID. That's not it. Okay, insert user. Deal, and deal needs to be something like deal ID equals deal ID. Link. I think those are all needed. Deleting all those. Deal ID equals to. Does it have deal ID inside deal ID? Something. Let's see. So deal JSON equals to this. It's a return what? Insert or replace into deals. So deal ID and then deal JSON. Deal ID is going to be insert user dot deal ID. Then it's going to be deal JSON. What is the error I'm getting? Database connection. see if we have any user ready. I don't think I need it as of now. So let's try this. Well, let it run some time and then start automating. Let me start automating this new one. Copy the image, paste it here, and then take the title. This is the title, and then affiliate link. Let's get the affiliate link. Affiliate link, and this is the real. Sorry. This is the real link. This is the price image. This is the price. Okay, let's say start automation. Even something might be running. Work fine or what? Deal user inserted successfully. That means oh. Why would it return null if it has the limit of the? Okay, I think I had enough. Let's deal with it tomorrow. All right, people. Thanks for watching. I'll be ending the stream now. We'll have to progress tomorrow. All right, peace.